How to delete your Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually delete your Instagram account. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what we have to do is simply make sure we have actually updated the Instagram app to the latest version. If you haven't updated already, you could head over to your app store, in the search box type in Instagram, go ahead and simply update it to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Instagram, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Go ahead and simply log into your account first. And after you are logged in, what you could do is you can basically see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. Now what you have to do is, from the bottom right hand side of the screen, simply tap on your profile icon. Once you go to your profile page, on the top right hand side you'll be able to see these three horizontal lines. You have to simply tap on these three horizontal lines once you see it, and here you want to simply go ahead and select the option called settings. As you go to settings, here you want to look for the option called help, so simply tap on help, and again at the top of the screen you have to simply tap on help center. And as you go to help center, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. Right here in the search box, you want to simply type in delete account, or maybe something like delete, and then hit the search button. Once you hit the search button for delete, at the top you'll find a button which says delete your Instagram account. Now it could vary depending on the keywords which you have typed, so tap on delete your Instagram account right over here. You want to scroll down a little bit and tap on this toggle which says instagram.com from a mobile browser or computer. So right after you open this toggle, you'll find another button over here which says delete your account, which is highlighted in blue. This is basically a link text. So you want to tap on delete your account right over here. As you tap on delete your account, it says if you want to break from Instagram, you can actually temporarily deactivate, but you can simply select why you want to actually deactivate Instagram. And what you can do is simply enter your password in this box right over here. You could go ahead and re-enter your password. Once you actually re-enter your password at the bottom of the screen, to delete it, you have to tap on delete this account, and it is going to take 1 month to actually permanently delete your account. If you log into your Instagram account within those 1 month period of time, you will be able to recover your account, because till then it is only going to remain deactivated. After that, it is going to be permanently deleted and you will not find any option to recover it. So basically this was the way on how you can delete your Instagram account. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.